So, recently there are too many ads going around on social media promoting a device called MagAir, a so-called revolutionary mold-destroying air purifier. These ads are everywhere. They're dramatic, emotional, and filled with big promises. They claim MagAir can eliminate 99.8% of mold spores in just 48 to 72 hours. Even more, they say it's more effective than regular HEPA filters or traditional air purifiers. The big hook? It's supposedly based on NASA-grade ionic technology created by a former NASA engineer. One ad even goes as far as saying it can make your home lab clean and completely sterile, and it's being banned from stores because mold remediation companies are scared of it. Now that's a bold claim. According to the ads, this device releases 20 million negative ions per second, which hunt and destroy mold spores at the molecular level. But is this product actually real, or just another overhyped gadget pushed with shady marketing? Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or websites shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading marketing. Let's start with one major red flag. There is no peer-reviewed evidence or real-world testing to support these claims. The ads talk about dramatic mold elimination results, but none of that is backed by any kind of published scientific study or independent lab testing. In fact, most scientific reviews suggest that ionic purifiers like this one are often unreliable in real indoor environments. Even worse, negative ion purifiers usually don't perform as well as HEPA filters, especially when it comes to capturing actual mold spores from the air. Then there's the health risk aspect. Many of these ionic devices generate ozone as a byproduct, sometimes at levels that can irritate the lungs, especially for people with asthma or other respiratory issues. And that's not all. These negative ions can react with everyday household chemicals, like those found in air fresheners or cleaners, to create things like formaldehyde and ultrafine particles. Another huge red flag is the backstory. Every ad talks about a man named James, a former NASA engineer, whose wife nearly died from toxic mold. He then supposedly created this miracle device using NASA space station tech. But here's the thing, this entire story seems fake. There's no proof that James exists, and it's likely just a made-up name paired with stock footage and voiceover acting. It's a marketing tactic used to build trust and create an emotional hook. Now here's the reality. This product is most likely just a cheap, generic air purifier. You can find nearly identical-looking products on Alibaba for about $1 or $2. If MagAir were truly a unique, revolutionary invention, its design wouldn't match the same basic purifiers that are being mass-produced in factories overseas. But even the images in the MagAir ads match those generic ones exactly. That's because this is most likely a classic dropshipping setup. They order cheap products in bulk, make up a dramatic story, and sell it to you at a 1,000% markup using fear-based ads. So don't fall for these tactics. Mold is a serious problem, and solving it takes real action, like controlling humidity, fixing leaks, and using proven air purification methods. A device like this, promoted through vague science and over-the-top promises, is probably not going to be the miracle it claims to be.